Hey doctors in waiting, big FMGE update. If you completed MBBS abroad and want to practice in India, this is your quick action video. NBEMS has announced the December 2025 FMGE schedule, registration, deadlines, exam date and essential tips. Listen carefully and act fast. Here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news. NBEMS to begin registration on November 14. NBE FMGE 2025 application form will be available at 3 p.m. on November 14. Candidates are required to fill form on the official website natboard.edu.in. So the application window runs from November 14 to December 4, 11:55 p.m. So don't miss the window. The exam itself will be a computer-based test on January 17, 2026 and the results are scheduled for February 17, 2026. Guys, FMGE is the mandatory screening test for Indian nationals who complete MBBS abroad. Only those who pass can register to practice in India. The minimum qualifying score is 150 out of 300, that's 50%. So your preparation and test strategy must target reliable accuracy across the syllabus. FMG is tough. In the June 2025 session, roughly 36,034 candidates appeared and only 6,707 passed, about an 18% pass rate. That means focused study and smart exam technique are non-negotiable. Here, it's all been written and I'm summarizing you the same basically. It's written over here, out of 37,207 registered candidates, I'm talking about the June 2025 results, 36,034 candidates appeared and 6,707 qualified the exam. So I just want to talk about and give you the checklist for the registration day. Keep your passport, MBBS degree, provisional certificate, mark sheets and eligibility documents ready as scans. Make sure your photos and signature meet the exact natboard.edu.in specs. Pay the fee online before the deadline. Have a backup payment method ready. Download and save the confirmation screenshot and print the acknowledgement. The window closes December 4 at 11:55 p.m. Be early, not late. Study smart in the next 8 to 10 weeks. Focus on high weight topics. Solve FMGE past papers and full length mocks in CBT mode. And practice time management. Remember, this is a computer based exam. Target a safety buffer above 150 so you are not relying on borderline scoring. Also, polish clinical reasoning and OSCE style concepts that often show up in the applied questions. Beware, there's ongoing unrest among some foreign grads over delayed eligibility certificates. Keep copies of any NMC or eligibility communications and follow up with the authorities early if your certificate is pending. This has affected candidates in the recent cycle, so proactive verification is crucial. Okay, people, that's your FMGE December 2025 brief. Register on November 14 at 3 p.m. at natbo.edu.in. Study with mocks and aim well above 150. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for immediate updates. Drop your questions below. We at Careers 360 will be pinning up a checklist for registration day. Good luck.